TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida, 9 a.m. Eastern time on Tuesday. 30 minutes to go until we reach that opening bell. And we got markets in positive territory, looking like a positive open. Dow futures up 213 points, or about 0.9%, trading at 23,725. S&P's positive by about 20, or 0.8%, trading at 2570. And the NASDAQ futures up 53 points, or just more than 0.8% as well, trading at 6550. We'll start it off this morning taking a look at the VIX. Of course, yesterday, decent day for the market. VIX just above that 20 number, as very little premium in this market for the types of moves we have been getting. Let's jump over to the futures markets. Take a look at where we are. Basically at pre-market session highs, Dow trading 23,760, backing things up to yesterday's close. You can see that it's been basically a steady incline to the upside for the markets overnight. 23,760 in the Dow. NASDAQ 100, pretty similar story. Pre-market session highs as we speak, 65.59. S&P 500 trading at 25.74. Yesterday, getting back to the market action where we closed, there's your 4 o'clock bar, about 25.50. So you're looking at about 24 S&P points to the plus side. Crude oil trading at 69.30, was up there briefly at about 6.45 this morning, a bit higher. You have gold contract pulling back a bit, trading at 1281.72, was hanging at around that 1284.85 price mark for most of the overnight session. And euro pulling back a bit just in even the last about 2 hours from 7 a.m., trading at 114.68, now trading 114.26 as we've seen a little bit more dollar strength. In terms of what else you have happening out there, Sears asking to go bankrupt and liquidate as the chairman, Eddie Lampert's bid falling short. He had bid $4.4 billion to acquire their assets, and it looks like Sears thinks there's more equity in a liquidation. So unfortunately, that may be the end of Sears. And Samsung, fourth quarter guidance shocks profit 18% less than the market expected, and that ties in somewhat with the next article I was reading this morning, talking about the potential slowdown in China. We know that that hit Apple already. We'll see if it hits the rest of these markets as we continue to open up the trading year. Stay tuned. We got our man Larry Pesvento coming up right now with Trade What You See. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom, and of course Fast Market by TD Ameritrade 11, Basil Chapman, Steve Rhodes, Dave White, Tom O'Brien, all today live. Stay tuned, folks. Have a great Tuesday.